This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your original, duplicate the layer and work non-destructively. Next, sample the dominant hue with the eyedropper or color range tool so you target exactly what to change. Once done, create a color mask layer or enter quick mask mode. This isolates pixels by color. Make sure to adjust tolerance to include variations. You're now ready to refine selection edges. This first setup prevents accidental global edits and speeds the rest of the workflow. Now refine the mask so changes look natural. Increase or decrease tolerance to capture subtle color shifts, then feather the mask to blend edges. If edges are rough, paint on the mask with a soft brush to remove halos or recover details. Once the mask reads correctly, apply hue/saturation or curves adjustment layers clipped to the mask. This lets you change color and luminosity independently. Make small, incremental moves to keep finish by examining the result at 100% and toggling the adjustment on and off to judge impact. If you see color spill onto unintended areas, paint into the mask with a low-opacity black brush to remove it, or use a secondary mask to desaturate problem zones. Once satisfied, save a layered file for future edits and export a flattened copy for sharing. If colors shift oddly on export, check color profile settings and recalibrate as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.